Welcome to Tekzoid, where we simplify tech for you. Today, we're talking about Samsung TV Plus, what it is, whether it's free, what channels you get, and how to disable it if you don't use it. Let's get started. What is Samsung TV Plus? Samsung TV Plus is a free streaming service built into Samsung smart TVs and some Galaxy devices. It gives you instant access to live TV channels and on-demand shows, no cables, subscription, or extra hardware needed. Here's what it offers: live TV channels, news, sports, movies, kids, and lifestyle. On-demand content, watch shows and movies anytime. Easy access, pre-installed on TVs from 2016 onward, and select phones/tablets. Personalized experience. New channels and AI recommendations are added regularly. Think of it as free cable, streamed over the internet. Is Samsung TV Plus free? Yes, Samsung TV Plus is completely free and ad-supported. No sign-up or payment is needed, just a stable internet connection. Signing in with a Samsung account unlocks extras like favorites, reminders, and continue watching. What channels are available on Samsung TV Plus? The channel lineup depends on your region, but you'll find categories like news channels such as CNN or ABC News, sports and gaming channels, entertainment and movie hubs, kids, lifestyle, and documentary channels. Samsung updates channels regularly, and some content streams in 4K depending on your TV and internet. How to disable or hide Samsung TV Plus? If you never watch Samsung TV Plus and want to stop it from launching automatically, here's what you can do. Go to Settings, General, Smart Features, turn off Auto Run Samsung TV Plus. Open the app, delete all channels to stop it from auto-launching, highlight the app, remove to hide it from your home screen. You can't fully uninstall it. It's built into the TV. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. So that's Samsung TV Plus, a free ad-supported way to watch live and on-demand channels on your Samsung devices. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'll cover them in future videos. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more simple tech explainers. This is Tekzoid, where we simplify tech for you. See you in the next one.